Hello, and welcome back to Learn Responsive Design on Codecademy. This is Lesson 9, Scaling Background Images. And it says, Scaling Background Images. Background images of HTML elements can also be scaled responsively using CSS properties. So we have our body element here. We got background image. We put a URL. Background repeat, we put no repeat. Background position, we want it centered. Background size, we want it to cover. In the example above, the first CSS declaration sets the background image. The hash symbol is a placeholder for an image URL in this example. The second declaration instructs the CSS compiler to not repeat the image. By default, images will repeat. The third declaration centers the image within the element. The final declaration, however, is the focus of the example above. It's what scales the background image. The image will cover the entire background of the element, all while keeping the image in proportion. If the dimensions of the image exceed the dimensions of the container, then only a portion of the image will display. Our instructions say, in style.css, set the background size property in ID banner to cover. So if we look here, we have the ID banner. They want us to set the background size property to cover. So if we zoom out of here, let's see what exactly has this ID banner. If we go back to index, we see here this ID of banner is given to Banner's travel blog. So we should see this banner have a background size property of cover. Okay, so let's see how that works right now. So let's run this. Now we have background set to cover. So like it says here, having our ID's background size property set to cover is what will allow the image to scale. The image will cover the entire background of the element, which is that div, all while keeping the image in proportion. So if the dimensions of the image exceed the dimensions of the container, then only a portion of the image will display. And that is scaling background images on Learn Responsive Design on Codecademy. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.